Hey folks, the homeowner gave us a ring, scared to death about their underground oil tank. Terrible position. Contractor says you're gonna have to hire somebody to take the stairs down, take the deck down, the wall down. Everything had to come down, it seemed as if. We came out here, we pulled the tank. 2-day, it failed inspection, 10-ton remediation. We're just finishing up now. The puppy even gave us approval. His name's Trooper. He's cool. This is where we came with a 20,000-pound excavator. We brought in 25 tons, backfilled this all with item crusher. The tank was right under here in this way. The stringer came down. We put that back, no problem, carpentry work. We rebuilt the rock wall, little rock wall work. This is solid, it's all crushed. Little landscape work. Nothing to it, folks, don't be scared. And we kept this cost down. If you have any questions with regards to oil tanks, give us a call, 845-469-3120, or you can check out our website. We'll catch you next time.